I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. I'm going to teach you about leverage. Leverage can be your friend. If you can't get a bolt loose, you can use leverage to your advantage. It works very well when you cannot get an impact gun in there, or maybe you don't have access to an impact gun, or maybe it's not strong enough. Leverage, that's what you need. Let me show you how to use it. So essentially, the leverage is how far from your pivot point you are. So further away you go, the more leverage you have. You've only got so much force with your muscles. Some people have more than others, but you only have so much, and when that's not enough, you need to use leverage. So let me show you some tricks on what you can do. So let me show you some techniques on how to easily use leverage. So this is your normal ratchet. If you just can't break it loose with this, you could go out and buy yourself a breaker bar. Harbor Freight has these pretty cheap, and it's about double the length of your actual ratchet, standard size ratchet. So it's going to give you a lot more power. Another thing you can do, you could get a big giant piece of pipe. You can put it on your ratchet, and that'll give you a lot more leverage. But the only problem with that is your ratchet is not made for this. It's not great for the internals of it. I've done it before and been okay with it, and I've also done it before and I've ruined the ratchet. So be warned about that. But if you're in the middle of nowhere, or if that's the only tool you have, use it. You can also do the same thing with your breaker bar. And you can still break this. I've done it before, but it's a lot stronger. And sometimes that's what you need to do to get a stubborn bolt out. Now, I have one more technique for you. So let's say you have open-end wrenches, and you've got this on there and you just don't have enough force. There's a trick you can do where you take this end, and it only works one way. So like this, and you go on there and you can push down, and that gives you a lot more leverage. It's a great little trick. I used it a lot when I was a kid on bicycles, but it can go like this, so it can be a little tricky. I would say if it's just a little bit too tight for this, this can be handy. But if it's really tight, get out your breaker bar and use that. That way you don't have to worry about this slipping off. But sometimes you can only get in there with this, so you might have to utilize that. There is also a tool that I've seen recently that does the same thing. I think it has a hook around it. It seems a lot safer, but I don't have it because I can just use two of these. So I haven't invested in that, but there is a tool out there for that. So if you need that, if you're doing that kind of stuff on a regular basis where you need that, grab that tool. Those are some quick, easy ways to utilize leverage. This is the kind of stuff I've been using for years to get stuck bolts loose and stuff like that. There was a time where I didn't have an air compressor or a good impact gun or anything. These always got me by. I could get almost anything loose unless it was like a completely seized engine or something like that. That's the only time I've been not successful, but I guess you could understand why. So hopefully those tips helped you out. Don't be afraid to use leverage when you need to. It's very handy. I'm making a video every day because I want to go to the Freedom Factory. I want to meet Cleetus. I have a video right here on why I want to do that. So check that out. It'll give you a little more detail on all that. And I'm making videos every day. I'm doing tips. I'm just doing whatever I can think of to get videos out every day, do something entertaining, and try and grow my channel. I want to get monetized, and I want to start building more cool stuff. So like, comment, and subscribe, and you can help me with that. And I will see you tomorrow.